Good morning, everyone. I had an ACT user whose first name is Sean reach out to me because Sean could not figure out why data he was trying to export to Excel was missing some information. So I want to show you that. This is the ACT demo database, and I'm going to click up top and click on list view so we see all the data in the list view. Now, when I see all this data on the screen, I can quickly export this out to Excel by coming up top and clicking on the Export Current List to Excel. That will take all the data I see here. But Sean's question was this. When he exports this data, the email address is not going over. Now, I have all the data here right on the screen. There's no further information off to the right-hand side. But what's missing from this view and what he can see is the email address. So anything you can't see here in the list view will not get out to Excel. So to see that stuff here in the list view, you can add information to the list view. You could add every single field you have in ACT to this list view, but it would not be practical because a lot of the information would shoot way out to the right and you'd have to scroll over to see it. So let me show you how to add the email address. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come up top and just to the left of the Excel or the X, there's two columns. I'm going to click on that and a box will pop up. And this shows you all the fields in this database that could be added to the right, therefore showing up in the list view. Or you can just click on one item at a time, click on the single arrow. If by chance you click on the double arrows, it will throw everything out there to the right. And then you'd have to go through and remove everyone individually. If you happen to click on the double arrows, my advice is this. Just click cancel and start again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on an item here on the left. I'm going to hit the letter E for email. It jumps down to the first item that begins with E, and it happens to be email. I'm going to click on the single arrow. It goes all the way to the bottom of the list. I'm going to move it up just to get it up sort of in the view. Now, generally when I'm in here, there's a couple things that are here that you most likely are not going to need. And one is favorite, so I'm going to shoot that back over to the left. Private contact, back over to the left. Is user, back over to the left. So now, this is all the information we'll see. AMA score, I'm going to shoot that over to the left as well. So we have some basic contact info. When I click OK, now you will see the email address right here. So to export all this information, I'm going to click on the X. Once I do that, it's going to shoot it out to Excel. Behind the scenes, Microsoft Excel will open. You'll see it blinking down the bottom. I'm going to click on this item, and I'm going to maximize this. And all the information we saw in our list view is now here. Now you can see the email address. So in order to see it in Excel, you've got to make sure it's part of the list view, and all that information will get shot into Excel, so you'll be able to work with it in any way you see fit. Thank you so very much for being here for this tutorial. You have a great day. Bye now.